Meaning of headdress.
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 Headdress. A headdress is a decorative head covering worn for cultural, ceremonial, or religious reasons. It is often made of various materials such as feathers, beads, and fabric, and is designed to symbolize the wearer's status or heritage. Headdresses have been worn by different cultures throughout history and can vary greatly in their design and meaning. They can be simple or elaborate, and are often associated with indigenous cultures around the world. Headdresses continue to be an important part of many traditional ceremonies and celebrations, and are often displayed in museums and art galleries as cultural artifacts.